Now we are writing the schedule of openings, and you see that we have finished with one line. We have not given a title. Let's do that at the end. So we finished one line. What we can do is just copy this line, the second one. Okay, this line needs to be copied as many times as you want, like this, and you have to double click on all the letters and change it to as you want it. Like doors can be double clicked and then you can make it a window. Serial number will become 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have done with this. Now you see our total drawing is like this, and our schedule of openings is too big, and we need to readjust it. So what I will do is move this much piece because there's too much of place there, and I will draw one more line here. And we can trim this part. So these things you should know. I'm making these mistakes just to show that it can be worked like this. Okay, now I have trimmed and I have deleted all the unwanted parts, but the table is too big, so you can scale it, right? So SC is the command, and you pick up all this, keep it here, and scale it to 0.5 so that this becomes smaller. You want it to be still smaller, you can scale it again, select objects and then say 0.5. okay, see now that looks little more appropriate. Or you want it a little smaller, you can still do it. And then you need to arrange all these drawings in one place and fit in the schedule as well. So I'll scale it once more, because we are going to take the print only on A4 size. Okay, we don't have a bigger printer than that. Otherwise we can plot it as also, but we are not going to do that. That's cool. Now I will move the schedule from there to the drawing where I have to place it. I will put off the ortho. See, you should remember that we don't really have a sequence of operation. What I mean to say is, it will not be a right place to place it. Let me move these two guys a little closer. Okay, these two. But after the lettering and labeling of the diagram, I don't know how it stands. Or I can remove this rectangle, move the schedule here. Okay, and you write your name and all that here. You can have a rectangle, design it in one way, and then you can put the rectangle around for printing, for the print. Okay, you have to label these drawings and all that. So that will be the final thing. Now your schedule of openings has come here, and after that we realize that we don't have a title to this. So I can draw a rectangle. See, there is no sequence of drawing that I hadn't done it, now it's mistake or something like that. We can do it now. So text and just add the title here. Say in caps lock, schedule, text, enter. It's gone a little higher. Schedule of openings, you write the whole thing, double click, and you can just move what you have written into the. There is ways and means of changing the font size, font type and all that, but as of now let us restrict to learning how to draw. That is the complete drawing. Okay, now I am not drawing the I'm not doing the drawing to the complete finishing, because all these steps have been told to you in the earlier sessions and the videos will be too long if I go on explaining each and every step in every drawing. Okay, so you have to know how to offset the border and do the lettering, label the drawing, include all that, and that's how this drawing gets finished. I have told you how to save it in a folder as well.